In this video, we're going to take a look at how to get help related to Google Apps and products, right? And the place you're going to go is the Google Help Center, and you can get to that by going to your address bar and typing in support.google.com, as you see right here. When you get to the Google Help homepage, you'll have a couple of options. You can either type in what your issue is or what it has to do with, or you can click on one of the apps that you see here. So let's say that I click on YouTube, right? And you'll see two types of resources, right? On the left is the Help Center. The Help Center is where you're going to find technical support documents that are authored by Google. So for example, if I wanted to learn how to manage the privacy settings on my YouTube account, or let's say that I wanted to learn how to make a video playlist, I could click on a specific article here and I would get a technical step-by-step guide on how to go about doing that. And what's really nice about this is that these are always kept up to date as Google changes their apps. The other piece of the Google Help Center is the Google community. So these aren't necessarily support articles that are authored by Google, but the community is where people can go and post questions and also answer other people's questions. If you don't want to post questions, you can actually search questions that others have asked in order to find solutions, because a lot of times if someone else is having an issue with a certain Google app, you're probably experiencing that as well. And the answers to these questions are contributed by just normal people like you and me, Google product experts. So let's just quickly take a look. I'm going to go back to the Help Center homepage up here, the support.google.com. And so let's say on the exam, you needed to know how to create a playlist. And one thing about the exam is you are allowed to open up other tabs and look up information on your exam. So you could type in the "How can we help you create a playlist?" And when you press search, what you're going to see is different articles that will help you. So this is your top result, and this is linking you to a Help Center article that gives you a step-by-step, right? And those technical articles are denoted by this symbol right here, right? And then these comment boxes denote the community. So someone had posted a question on the community and other people have stepped in and replied to help answer that question. So this is a really good place to look if you're struggling on the exam or just in general once the course ends, and if you would like to find the answers to your questions. So that is how you're going to use the Google for Education Help Forums and Help Center to find answers to your Google-related questions. Thanks for watching.